Tonight, an exclusive look at the 2021 Supercross season with the Yamaha Star Racing team.
I feel great, feel healthy, got some really good off-season training in, so I'm looking forward to the season. Yeah, the constant setbacks have been tough for me just because as soon as you start to build that momentum, then you kind of start from square one again. So it makes it hard on an athlete because we're constantly trying to push that envelope.
The Monster Energy Star Yamaha, Christian Craig wins for his new team here in Houston.
It was overall a fun race. The track broke down really good, but I love racing here in Texas. So I'm looking forward to the next two races and got to get off the gate a little better and go try to win one of these.
I'm a firm believer in never giving up on what I want to achieve, and that's a Supercross championship.
It's been a busy week, 3 nights here in Houston. It comes to a close here for the 250 main event. Who gets the jump? Right-hand start. The two-star Yamaha riders are there. Christian Craig got a phenomenal inside run, and he leads on the 29 ahead of Colt Nichols. It's a Yamaha 1-2. These two guys have been on the podium in both events. It's been a phenomenal start to this new season.
I'm really impressed right here with Colt Nichols. He has positioned himself perfectly, slowly inching up, and he's able to watch Christian.
How hard is Colt Nichols going to push it with his teammate?
And it is coming down to the wire. Time is about to expire.
The teammates are at it. Here we go. Colt Nichols. We wondered how hard is he going to push. He's answered that question right now. And he has effectively gapped his Monster Energy Star Racing teammate by 2 seconds. Colt Nichols is gone. So if you're part of the bLUcRU, if you're a Yamaha fan, this has been a phenomenal start to the year and another winner in Colt Nichols. First win in 2 years.
Man, that was fun, man. I haven't won a race in a while, and damn, that felt good. It was just awesome.
Congratulations, and Lee, looks like he's sharing that red plate as we head to Indy. Christian Craig, Colt Nichols in a great spot right now, tied at the top of the leaderboard, both riding for Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha.
Here we go, 250 main from Indianapolis. And just like in Houston, the Yamaha's back out in front, going 1 and 2.
Now you are seeing a display of two guys that want to win this championship.
Colt Nichols, who will claim the victory, his second in a row.
To Todd, he's the only man with the red plate now.
No question about it. No longer will he be sharing that. This is 250 East from Indy. Big pile up in the back. This is what the rest of the field, Ricky, did not want to see as Colt Nichols out in front, just blitzing the field. Checkered flags come out.
It's been going really good, and one more here on Saturday.
He is locked in.
No question about it, as he makes it 3 wins in a row.
It's a cool little cut.
Oh. Sick. Got to drink out of cup tonight as well. Feel like a baller.
How'd it taste? Tastes like winning champagne.